Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a DIY Dollar Tree wreath. So everything I have here was from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna be honest, never done this before. I've never made a wreath before, so we're gonna see how this plays out together. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just remove all of the tags and stickers and everything that I won't be needing for this wreath. I wanted to go with like a silvery red theme, but of course you can get whatever style you want to fit your decor. They also didn't have any circle wreaths. They had these like 3D ones, which were very confusing, but they had a square one. So I'm just gonna go make a square, but you can do this with circle wreaths, I'm sure probably better. So I have 3 different types. I have these like pine cone ones, these silver ones, and the berries, as well as a bow and 2 sets of the 15 feet garland. So I'm gonna wrap this garland around the outside and keeping it nice and tight, and then I'm going to add in the decorative parts. So now that I have my wreath covered, I think I'm gonna go through with the silver and the red and like stuff them in here so you can't really see the tips or anything. I'm just gonna lay everything out first because I'm not exactly sure what I want to do. So I'm just going to lay the pieces into it, and then once I know for sure that I like it, I will flip it over and maybe glue on the back side. Cutting up some of the berries because I think they'll look nicer and more thin arrangements. For the pine cones, I think I'm just going to cut them off of the stems and hot glue them in place. And while I'm hot gluing, I'm just going to glue down some of the pieces that I want to be a little bit flatter. Like I don't want this one to be so like in your face. Getting my pine cone on. A little bit of pine cone here, a little bit of pine cone there. Do you guys regularly do DIY projects? Is that something like you like to do, or you find that you're doing maybe more now that you're at home more? I definitely find myself crafting way more now that I'm home a lot. So I hope you guys enjoy these types of videos because there's probably gonna be more of them. Just using the glue to smush down some of the berries I don't want stuck up. And I'm still going to probably secure them on the back side. You go through glue so fast. I'm not really a glue, like hot glue aficionado. Maybe I will become one, but I never knew you'd go through glue this fast. This is like a 3-stick project. That's a lot of sticks. picture. Now I'm just gonna secure any of these like parts. I'm just gonna put some glue on them just to make sure that they stay where they are supposed to stay. But a lot of it is just like tucked in the garland, so I feel like it'll stay on its own. I don't know. Someone watching this and being like, oh God, Kayla, what the hell are you doing? So now, for the finishing touch, I have this really cute bow that I'm just going to attach to the bottom. I feel like this spot up here is a little sparse, so I'm going to add some more berries because I have a whole other set of berries. So there you guys go, my under $15 Dollar Tree wreath. I think it turned out really cute and super fun. I love the colors and it has me getting pretty excited for Christmas, not gonna lie. Let me know in the comments if you've made wreaths before or if you want to see other DIYs from me. Just let me know all that information down there. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do want to see more DIYs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!